How to budget on minimum wage without losing your mind. You just got paid, and somehow your bank account is auditioning for a horror movie called Broke Again, the sequel. Let's face it, budgeting on minimum wage is like trying to do laundry with one sock. Technically possible, emotionally draining. 80% goes to rent, 10% groceries, 9% bills, and 1% hope. But here's the thing. A bad budget feels like punishment. A good one? That's your financial GPS. And we are not trying to get lost in Debtville. The budget breakdown. Let's introduce the 50-30-20 rule. Minimum wage remix 50% needs. Rent, food, and yes, Wi-Fi is a need. 30% wants. But let's be honest, this might be 5% and vibes. 20% savings. Or debt payoff, even if it's $5 a week. Do it. Every coin matters. Every coin adds up. Tools that make you look like you have a CFO now. Don't just eyeball your money like it's a suspicious roommate. Track it. Use a tool like Rocket Money. It automatically tracks your spending, cancels sneaky subscriptions, and makes you feel like an undercover financial detective. Here's your 3-step Broke No More starter pack. Know what's coming in. Assign every dollar a job. Even if its job is wait here until rent. Use cash stuffing or digital envelopes to avoid impulse buying socks, snacks, or emotional support candles. Budgeting on minimum wage is not about being perfect. It's about not waking up in overdraft every month. You're not bad with money. You've just been told budgeting is punishment. Number budgeting is you saying, I deserve to sleep at night without financial anxiety nightmares. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm the CFO of my life. And remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with it, and how loud your wallet screams when it's finally respected.